If you're interested in wood turning, you've picked a rewarding and an addictive craft. But where do you get started once you've got a lathe? In this video, I want to show you some of the different ways you can learn more about turning, from joining a club, attending local craft schools, private lessons, even attending our world-class craft school. Hi y'all, welcome to my shop. If you want to learn more tips, tricks, and techniques about wood turning, click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. So one of the easiest ways to start is by taking a class at a woodworking store such as Woodcraft or Rockler. These stores often offer small, hands-on classes that cover tool basics, safety, and turning techniques. You'll learn from an experienced instructor and get feedback right away. A great way to avoid developing bad habits. Find an arts and crafts school. Perhaps you have a craft school in your area. Craft schools teach all kinds of traditional handcrafts such as folk art, jewelry making, ceramics, glass blowing, and of course wood turning. If you want a deep dive, consider a week-long course at a nationally recognized arts and crafts school. Two of the best known are the John C. Campbell Folk School in Brasstown, North Carolina, and Arrowmont School of Arts and Crafts in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. You'll spend several days learning from top instructors surrounded by other creative people, a truly inspiring experience. Several world-class turners offer classes such as Jimmy Clues in Las Vegas, Stuart Batty in Colorado, and Glenn Lucas in Ireland. Many colleges and universities also offer similar classes through their art or continuing education departments. Take private lessons from a local wood turner. Wood turning is a bit like learning to play a musical instrument. You can read all you want, but there's no substitute for personal instruction. You really need feedback. Wood turning is a bit like learning to play a musical instrument. You can read about it, you can watch all the YouTube videos, but if you want to learn how to do it, you're going to have to get some 10 classes or get some personal instruction. Most wood turning clubs list a number of members that teach classes, so that's a great resource to find a local instructor. Attending a class or getting that one-on-one instruction is the best way to learn the basics of tool control, how to sharpen in order to get a safe and confident start to your wood turning. After you understand the basics, it's all about practice and how many miles of shavings you got going over your shoulder. I teach private wood turning lessons in my well-equipped home shop in Suwanee, Georgia, just north of Atlanta. I offer instruction for all skill levels, from basic sharpening and tool technique to more advanced topics like bowl turning, box making, texturing, and thread chasing. Lessons are customized to where you are in your wood turning journey. With both a Powermatic 2014 MIDI lathe and a Powermatic 3520C full-size lathe, I can comfortably teach up to 2 students at a time. If you'd like to arrange a few hours or a few days of tailored instruction, feel free to contact me for more information as shown on the screen. Next, join a wood turning club. It's a great way to learn how to turn. Most clubs are affiliated with the American Association of Woodturners, or AAW. There are over 365 chapters worldwide, including more than 25 in Canada. These local clubs are filled with friendly turners who love to share knowledge, hold demonstrations, and help beginners get started. Most clubs offer classes or workshops. If you don't have a club nearby, consider forming one with a few local friends who turn. Join the American Association of Woodturners. By joining the AAW, you'll get 6 bi-monthly issues of the American Woodturner, and you'll have access to more than 40 years of digitized back issues available online. You'll also get a digital magazine, Woodturning Fundamentals, that's released throughout the year on the AAW website and through social media platforms. The publication features information, projects, tips, and videos to help build foundational wood-turning skills. Be aware that there's a free affiliate membership for the AAW with access to a complete collection of AAW online resources, including the American Woodturner Journal, for a full 3 months at no cost. Explore online resources. There's also a wealth of online information, from YouTube videos to Facebook groups, forums, and online classes. These resources are great for inspiration and learning technique, but nothing beats real in-person instruction. Whether you take a class, join a club, or attend a week-long class at a craft school, you're going to find other woodturners that are going to help you in your journey.
If you found this video helpful, give it click on the like button to push it out to other like-minded wood turners. If you want to watch more of my videos on basic wood turning, click on the playlist above. And remember, y'all stay safe. Come on back, you hear?